Which of the following is best close to ideal black body? First one is given as nothing but black lamp, cavity maintained at a constant temperature, and platinum black lump of charcoal heated to a high temperature. So actually we know that an ideal black body is one which is able to absorb all the radiations which are hitting on it, or it is not reflecting or transmitting the radiations. And if you are considering a material something like black lamp which is able to absorb around 96% of radiations which are hitting on it, but it is not exactly 100%. Another black bodies, normal black bodies like platinum black or charcoal etc., are also such type of object which cannot absorb 100% radiations. But if you are considering a cavity, suppose even that we are constructing a cavity something like this, which is able to absorb all the radiations which are falling on it. So assume that we are making a cavity something like this. So if some radiations are hitting on this cavity, so are passing through this object, it will make collision with the surface, and from this collision it is going to reflected inside the material, so that, or inside the cavity. And we know that at each and every incident, some part is going to get absorbed by the object. So if you are having an object which is having a good absorptivity coefficient, so it will keep on absorbing the energy which is incident over here. So ultimately after many reflections, more amount of heat energy is going to get absorbed by the object, or we can say that approximately it is going to absorb the entire amount of radiation. So such an object or a cavity maintained at a constant temperature, we can take it as a black body, because whatever the radiation sitting on the surface, it is going to, or inside that surface, it is going to get absorbed by the object.